Good morning or good afternoon. In today's Hoowla guide, we're going to be looking at how to send emails through Hoowla. To start, you'll most likely be doing this on a case, so click the Quick Access menu up here and go to Messages. When you first load up the Messages area, you'll be in your inbox by default. In order to switch to your Sent box, click this button here. You can switch back to your inbox again by clicking the same button. You can search for your emails using this search bar up here. You can see your unread emails specifically by clicking this unread filter. You can create new emails by clicking this button, and you can see your drafts. If you view an email by clicking on this email on the side here, you can see the contents of the email, as well as the subject, who it was to and from, and most importantly, what case it was attached to. If you have your Exchange integration set up like we discussed in the previous video, your emails from Outlook will be automatically syncing over to Hoowla and attaching to the correct case. The Exchange identifies the correct case by its unique Hoowla ID number and the address. If the email has come from Exchange, there will be a blue strip on the side here. If it's green, like this, it means the email has originated in Hoowla. If it's blue, it means it's come from Exchange or from your Outlook. If the email has been attached to the wrong case, you can click this pencil icon here to change the case it's attached to. You will be able to search for the case via its address or unique Hoowla ID number and reassign the email to that case. However, if you simply want to detach it, you can just press this detach button here and it will go off of the case. You can then reattach it to the case by pressing this button if you need to. If you're wondering why some emails may have synced over from Outlook but have not attached to a case and you can't find them on the specific case, I would recommend checking your General Messages area up here. The General Messages area shows all of your emails no matter what cases they're attached to, and you will notice there's a very handy unattached filter here that you can click to specifically see emails that are not attached to cases. When you find those emails, you are able to use the Attach to Case button to get them to attach to the right case. Sometimes emails won't attach to the specific cases because the contents of the email or the subject line wasn't specific enough. As I said in previous videos, we recommend that you put the address and the ID of the case in the subject line to get the best results. When you press the New button to create a new email, you'll be able to pick people from the case to send the email to, or enter their address manually in here. You can also add CC and BCC boxes by pressing these buttons here, like that. You have the subject line here, which is editable, attachments, which you can add from the case, the contents, which you can edit down here, and you can send the email by clicking the Send button. You can also use email templates, which we'll cover in a different video, create a billable item from the email, and mark it as important. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need anything else, as always, pop us a call, send us an email, we're always happy to help. Thank you for watching.